Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2017 Chevy Suburban Premier four-wheel drive, stock number Z9986XX. 80,000 miles on the Suburban. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Black in color. The Suburban seats 8, leather interior. Second and third row DVD screens with wireless headphones and a remote. Rear climate control. Outboard middle row seats are also heated. Push of a button on the inside of the doorway. Seats will fold flat for additional cargo space. Push again will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, along with forward collision alert, and backup camera, and rear parking sensors for additional safety, trailering package, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear with removable privacy cover. Rear seats fold flat with the push of a button. Can also reverse. Middle row seats will also fold and tumble from the rear, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Running bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Premier has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. Power moonroof. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges. Buttons on the steering wheel, controlling the forward collision alert. Cruise control. Heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And that is, of course, with the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control. Heated and cooled front seats keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Wireless cell phone charging. Overhead auto-dimming mirror. HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Moonroof and power liftgate controls. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Suburban has a 5.3-liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on this Suburban, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.